Hello everyone, welcome to our series of the Thoughts on Education. Today we invited our guest, Professor Prasanjit Chaudhary, who is the principal at the Lord's Institute of the Management. Sir, thank you for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Pratik, and thank you, College of Dunia. This gives a big opportunity to me for that. And you can go ahead for the next questions.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, my first question is start with what is being the principal of the Lord's Institute of the Management. What is your philosophy of leadership, and how would you describe your leadership style?
Yes, thank you. Well, according to me, leadership is an abstract idea which builds an empire. And my style is leadership is more of come with me approach in which I am self-confident and empathetic at the same time.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So my next question is being the principal of the Lord's Institute of the Management, how do you strategize about the key programs and plan for the marketing and administration of your institute?
Good questions. Because as a educationist, the strategy in the plan in the first work we do that we perform live streams, social media engagements, training of our staff, etc.
Great, sir. Sir, my next question is how does the curriculum of the Lord's Institute of the Management ensure the best practice of industry?
Thank you. That basically we are focusing normally 10th plus students and 12th students. You ever for that after 12 that the people are very much interested for degree program. And we at the Lords believe the revising our curriculum at the regular intervals. Currently that we have associate of one USA group. This is that American Hotel Lodging Education Institutions, and we are offering student diploma. Then they can start their diploma, they are finish their course and they go for that abroad also. Because so many peoples in the Gujarat you have seen that most of peoples go for that the European country, America, Canada, for that their future prospects and PR also. And we also we are offering the degree also, that degree from DY Patil University, one of the famous biggest university in that Mumbai, that we are offer the dual degree, the degree with PG diploma. The students are getting the benefits for the degree along with the foreign diploma. It is the benefit for students. This is for that our enterprise.
Really great answer, sir. Okay, sir. So my next question is any insights into how your institutes could be more welcoming to the students of different races or economic background?
Yeah, that LIM always support the concept of the equality. So we have provide with the scholarship and free courses for the economical weaker sections. Moreover, we ensure our each and every student's bags are job, because that Lords are the banners, and we offering the associate of the THSC Tourism Hospitality Skill Councils, and we are offering the free courses module. The students, those are that poor families, they can get the job because of that. Very very bad things happens in our industries right now. For that, the students go for that any small hawkers and some things. That's why that we the Lord's peoples are thought that we giving the opportunity to the students that free educations, that like free education, free trainings, and after that we provide the job also. So this is the main slogan, that every student's bags are job.
Really great, sir. Okay, sir. So my next question is, what would you like to people to know about your institute they may not know?
Yeah, right. Very nice questions. I'll limelight the questions. First is that LIM's greatest strength is the support from all the 32 hotels across India and abroad, and the resort of Lord's Group, which ensure 100% job guarantee. And not only that, 2019 we are awarded from that from the tourism of Gujarat, the best tourism institute in Gujarat. And second one, that we are giving the guarantee because of nowadays what happened for that, any questions that the people also ask the questions, sir, you are giving the guarantee, you have the position, you have a hotels, how say that you the job guarantee 100%? So then I say for that, yes, I have a 32 hotels. Suppose other hotels deny for that, but our 32 hotels not deny for that. And this is our strength. And we think that we in enter Gujarat, that we are the largest strength, because none of the college they have a hotel supports, and we have the hotel supports, and that's why we proud that announce for the 100% job guarantee.
Really great. Sir, my next question is, what do you see as the Lord's Institute of the Management's greatest strength?
Yes, nice questions. There are many points to be considered. However, I will like to state a few. For example, one-to-one counseling with the students, because at first that when you go for the counseling, that you understand the students' philosophy and their parents' philosophy. What is their needs? At first you required for the need analysis, and this is the main strength. And second, festival celebrations and many more, because there are so many students, they have so many curriculum activity. They have one of the students is master of the painting, one of the students are master of the drama, one of the students is the food garnishing, one of the students very nice of that food photography. How we know? Because when we arrange the festival celebrations, that we award that students' philosophy and students' strength. This is the main points.
Really great. So my next and last question of today is any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
100%. देखिए, ये मेरा सारे स्टूडेंट्स को मैं अनाउंस करना चाहता हूँ, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेजर थिंग्स दैट पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि हमारा जनरेशन में पेरेंट्स का काफी ये महत्व होता है. पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा एक अच्छा सैलरी इनकम करे. आई मीन टू से मिडिल क्लास फैमिली. एंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑल्सो थॉट दैट भाई मेरे को भी अच्छा खासा सैलरी हो, एंड दैट आई बिकम लाइक मल्टी मिलियनियर्स और समथिंग. उनका एक एम रहता है लाइफ में. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दैट लाइक स्टूडेंट्स को इंस्पायर करते हैं, इंस्पायर द स्टूडेंट्स. दैट कोई स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं कि 10th में मार्क्स अच्छा नहीं है, बट सर्कमस्टेंसेस, सो मेनी सर्कमस्टेंसेस अवेलेबल ऑफ दैट मार्केट्स. हो सके उनका कंसंट्रेशन होगा, हो सके क्वेश्चंस का प्रॉब्लम्स हो, तो वो स्टूडेंट फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो जाता है. एंड नाउडेज वी आर सीन फॉर दैट सो मेनी दैट डेथ केस, सुसाइड केस फॉर द फ्रस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स. तो उसके लिए हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, ये रियल पाथ दिखाते हैं. जैसे अगर ठीक है तुम्हारा 10th में मार्क्स खराब है, नो इश्यू फॉर दैट, यू कम ओवर हियर. हम लोग उनको डिप्लोमा कोर्स कराता है, यूएसए का कोर्स कराता है, और उसका बाद उनको फ्यूचर्स अगर कोई फॉरेन जाना चाहता है तो भी हेल्प करता है. अदरवाइज वो इंडिया में भी उनको जॉब करके देते हैं और प्लेसमेंट करते हैं, और वो उसका बाद अपना लाइफ और करियर सूट कर सकते हैं. तो ये एक मेन अपॉर्चुनिटीज. और दूसरा हम लोग एक अपॉर्चुनिटी स्टूडेंट्स को देते हैं, जो स्टूडेंट्स कभी भी नहीं सोचते कि भाई मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं. लॉर्ड्स एक अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं जी भाई. जो स्टूडेंट्स है, दो स्टूडेंट्स फॉर द पुअर फैमिली, इकोनॉमिकल बैकवर्ड्स जो है, वो हिसाब से उनको भी हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं, एंड उनको फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एयर कंडीशन क्लासेस एलसीडी प्रोजेक्ट का थ्रू, एंड एक्सपीरियंस स्टाफ का साथ, फैकल्टी का साथ उनको इंटरेक्ट होता है, एंड दे गेट द नॉलेज एंड शेयर द एक्सपीरियंस. उसका साथ हम लोग आईटी का भी हम लोग करते हैं अच्छा अच्छा होटल्स में, नॉट ओनली द लॉर्ड्स. वी हैव अ टाई अप विद द मैरियट्स, हयात, इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल, सहारा, सो मेनी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटीज आल्सो द स्टूडेंट्स गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो ये एक बड़ा एम होता है स्टूडेंट्स का. और स्टूडेंट्स कभी भी फ्रस्ट्रेट नहीं हो. स्टूडेंट्स हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म में आए, हम लोग 100% हेल्प करेंगे. एंड लॉर्ड्स ऑल्सो नॉट मनी मैंडेट. जैसे हम लोग अगर मनी मैंडेट होता है तो फ्री कोर्स हम लोग नहीं करते थे स्टूडेंट का साथ, तो उनका अपॉर्चुनिटी भी हम लोग देते हैं फ्री कोर्स के लिए. अब जिसका स्किल अच्छा है 100% हम लोग उस स्किल लेवल को बढ़ाने के लिए भी कोशिश करते हैं. दिस इज आवर एम ऑफ द लॉर्ड्स इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, एंड दिस इज द बिगर फोकस टू द स्टूडेंट्स. दोज आर maybe that frustrated their life, because what should I do about my next futures. So 100% we build her or his futures, and this is our guarantee for it.
Really great answer. This answer will definitely help with the students who want to take admission here or the currently studying in the hotel management. And sir, once again I want to say thank you for accepting this invitation and being the guest of our series Thoughts on Education.
Thanks, Mr. Pratik. Thanks also College Dunia. They provide me that it is a great opportunity, this platform, to say something, and for the big audience. क्योंकि ये आपका थ्रू सारे ऑडियंस को पता चलेगा, क्योंकि हम लोगों को बस काफी सारा चीज नहीं मिलता है बिकॉज ऑफ दैट लैकिंग ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो. हम लोग एक ही जानता है भाई एडुकेशन करना है तो बहुत पैसा खर्चा करना पड़ेगा, ऐसे नहीं है. दिस इज दैट ये ऑडियंस का थ्रू, आपका मीडिया का थ्रू ये सारे स्टूडेंट्स का पास पहुंचेगा. दिस इज द इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफरिंग दैट फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जो फ्री कोर्सेस है, और सेम टू सेम उसका भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलेगा जॉब्स के लिए, ट्रेनिंग्स के लिए. दैट्स इट.
Really great, sir. Thank you, sir.